What do you mean no entry?
Turn right, then your destination will be on the left.
One of which will mine, the rest.
Tulips are shining and the weather is typical Dutch. We've got a lovely day here. We're going to show you a wonderful dance, and Claire is going to tell you a little bit more about these wonderful things we're going to show you soon. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, are you well? I can't hear you. tulips. You may not know that they weren't first farmed in the Netherlands. They were actually first farmed in Turkey in the 1500s, coveted by the
Turkey.
Ahmed III, the Sultan of the Ottoman Empire. And then in the middle of the 1500s, one of the botanic gardeners came across from the Netherlands and bought some bulbs and took them back. And they started up the Royal Botanic Gardens there, the medicinal ones also. The Botanic Gardens, that is. And then in the 1600s it became tulip mania. Everyone wanted to buy, sell or steal them because they were still very, very expensive and only for the wealthy or the royal. And in 1637 the most expensive tulip on history was recorded. Yell out, how much would you think one bulb and one stem, one flower would cost? Hey? One house! Well, back then it was probably more than one house, I'd say. In 1637, the most expensive on-record tulip was bought by the Royal Augustus for $120,000, which is the same price now as a Ferrari. Isn't that incredible? Now, it was actually more valuable than gold in some parts and some times in history. These beautiful flowers would come and go, and so they were precious and coveted. They carved the person's foot, so you only have to wear a little leather boot, but most of you would know that. Some of you may not know, if you don't know the Dutch culture very well. But today these boots, or these klompen, are actually made not for us. They're about 40 years old. And so we're wearing at least 4 pairs of socks, wouldn't you say, Sarah? So they're actually called safety shoes these days by the European Union, worn for heavy lifting, but also for klompen dancing. Would you like to see some dancing, ladies and gentlemen? Let's do that.
7 or how many things are we doing? You.
I know there's some klompen dancers out there. Come on, up you come.
Ah, yeah, fine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really?
Anybody else? Come on, I need some more dancers. Beautiful. Ah, come on. Nice.
For real, OMG. I think the social anxiety scared him.
Thank you for joining us. Ah, you look like the golden tulip in the jewel. Ready? Here we go. We're going to do windmills. I think you got that. Now, the next step, we're going to step 4 cat steps to the side, and on the 4th we step kick. 1, 2, 3. Step, now the other way. 1, 2, 3. Step, kick, try again. 1, 2, well done, 3. Step, kick. Now, last one. I think you've got that move. Great, now step out, behind, out, and kick. Out, behind, out, kick. Out, behind, out, kick. Out, behind, out, kick. One more, out, behind, out, kick. Out, behind, out, kick. Very nice. Now we need to find partners. So find a partner and put your hands up like this, or a couple of people. You can have up to 3 or 4. There we go. Now we're going to hop to the left, and we're going to hop for 8 counts, and then we'll clap, clap, bow. Oh, come with us, honey. Ready? Ready, set, and hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, clap. Clap, clap, bow. Clap, clap, bow. Then a heel and a heel. Try that part with the clap, clap. Clap, clap, bow. Clap, clap, bow. Heel, heel. Good. Then hop the other way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clap, 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 bow. Clap, clap, bow. Heel, heel. You have the whole dance, ladies and gentlemen. Well done. Now it can stay in your DNA forever. Let's give it a go. Are you ready? From the top. Let's do it slow first. Here we go. Windmill. And step. 1, 2, 3. Step, kick. 1, 2, 3. Step behind. Hopping with your partner. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clapping. Heel, heel, clap again. And windmill, go. 2, 3, and step together. Here we go. 2, 3, step, kick. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Step behind. Oh, we're missing the hopping, but that's okay. Well done. Wait, there's more. Don't go, ladies. Now you may hear in this next song, can you skip to the next song? In the next song, you might hear that the Netherlands is a trade route for hundreds and hundreds of years, actually even thousands of years. And so you'll hear in the next Dutch Holland Orchestra performance a traditional song that is a melting pot of lots of different cultures throughout Europe. So it's quite an incredible song. It's a bit of a jig. Shall we get going? We can't quite hear it. Do you mind turning it up a little? And we'll start again. We're going to feel it in our bones. Hands on your hips, big smiles. Get ready. There, now we feel it. Ready, set, windmill. Step. Kick. Step behind. Hopping. Heel. Clap again. Heel. Windmill, go. Stepping, go. Step, kick. Behind. Hopping. Clapping. Heel. Heel, clapping. And now, as we would say in Australia, do-seater. Take a bow, ladies and gentlemen, that was fabulous. What an incredible community we've created here at the Dutch Weekend.
Duduk di tepi aja ya.